going to show you how to make drought-resistant soil out of something that you have laying around the house right now. Every tray of fresh or frozen meat that you buy at the store comes with an absorbent pad in the bottom to absorb all those juices. Well, the material inside that absorbent pad is called SAP, or it's a super absorbent polymer. This material is used in all kinds of applications. You might also be familiar with its use in disposable diapers. But SAP, or super absorbent polymers, are used in agriculture to create drought-resistant soil. So instead of throwing these disgusting things away into the landfill, you can use these to put in your own garden to make drought-resistant soil in your yard. And we'll cut one of these open so I can show you how one of these crystals will absorb up to 300%. So cutting one of these open, you can see that there are outer layers and inner layers. This outer layer you can just take off. This, as I said, has been dried thoroughly in a hot place for a couple days. And we don't need this in the soil, of course, but all of this is filled with SAP, super absorbent polymer, plus this other pulp, which some of this is wood pulp. So here we have a couple pieces with the layers taken off, and we just cut it with scissors. I'm going to keep one dry, and we're going to soak this other in water, and you'll see how much it expands and absorbs. In fact, if you've ever seen those toys that you can drop in water, that's what this is made out of. It just expands and expands and expands. So after soaking for quite a few minutes, you can see this has become a gel, almost like Jello, and it's definitely retaining water. Here's the dry one. This was the original dried out size. So this little layer on top is not necessary, and this is going to go in the soil. Now you can mix this in wet or dry, and over here we've already got some soil mixed in with the SAP. We just broke everything apart, and you see a few little fibrous pieces there. We just pulled those apart, and the soil is all mixed together, ready for potting or putting in the garden. Now we prefer to put it in dry, but it's okay to put it in this soupy mess. It mixes in just as well. So this SAP material holds water and absorbs water better than soil, but roots absorb and hold water better than SAP. So this SAP material is never going to take water away from the roots. It's just going to keep it nearby, which is exactly what you want. So we pull apart any of that fibrous material, and it's pretty interesting. If you look up SAP and this super absorbent polymer, it's used in agriculture in quite a few ways, especially in dry areas where they are prone to drought or flood. This stuff is used even to coat seeds. You can buy seeds coated in SAP, and it gives the seeds a lot better chance to go ahead and germinate with plenty of moisture, no matter what the weather conditions are. So this is quite a better solution for your stinky chicken pads than throwing them in the garbage and having it reek until the garbage goes out.